Today I am going to explain you the next topic of grammar, that is comparison. What is comparison? Before telling you this, I will explain you three types of the degrees are there. First is called positive, second is called comparative, third is called superlative. Positive degree is using where we are using the positive degree when in the simple type of the sentences, and we are using the when there is no comparison, there is no any, we will compare the things, that time we will use this positive degree. Comparative degree we are using when we are comparing anyone to anyone or anything to anything, that is called what? The comparative degree. Superlative, it means the thing that is the most, so that is called the superlative degree. Here we will use, here today I am going to explain you the comparative, it means the degree of comparison. So here I am giving you one sentence: you are older than me. Oftenly we are using then after comparative degree. Here this is comparative degree. So oftenly we are using then, THAN, then, when we are just comparing. So you are older than me, it means I am comparing you, that was word, to me. So here we have used the word comparative degree, degree of comparison. So here the formation of the comparatives are there. Formation of comparatives. After comparative we use then. As I've told you, after comparative we are using what? Then word. So here, like I have used here, you are older than me. One more example: it is faster to go by. It is faster to go by aeroplane than by train. So here we are just comparing with whom? It's faster to go by aeroplane than by train. Train is not faster than aeroplane. So here we are giving, and we have used here THAN then, because we are just comparing the airplane speed with the train speed. So after comparative we always use then. Next is comparatives are formed by adding er or more. Some that when we are using the degrees, we are using in the word comparison, at the time we are using er or more. Like we are just giving I'm giving you example, like that was slim, slimmer, slim, slimmer. Next is beautiful, more beautiful. So hopefully we are using er or more when we are changing into the comparative degree or degree of comparison. Next is we also use IER for two syllable words then end in Y. When the word which likes happy, which word end with Y, we will use IER, happy, and here we will not use Y, we will cut this, and IER we will use. Happy, happier, like pretty, pretty, prettier. Why we haven't used again? So hopefully we are use what we will not use, the word which is end from the end with the Y letter, Y we will cut and we will use IER. Next we use more for longer words. We use for the more longer word, more with the longer word. More we are used with the longer words. Like intelligent. This is the Many letters are there to use this word. Intelligent we will use, not intelligier. No, IER anything we will not use. Here we will use more. Intelligent. With the longer word we are using what? The more. So next is there, we use more adverbs than and in ly. More also used with the word which is what at the end we are using ly. With those words with which they are just end from the and with the ly words we are using here more. Like more, that is softly. Softly. So here we will use what? Softly we will use, and we will use here more softly. Carefully. So here we'll use more carefully. So some are irregular comparative forms are there. Like we are using these we can use easily, like old, older, slim, slimmer, pretty, prettier, okay, beautiful, more beautiful. But some irregular comparative forms are there. Some adjectives, some adverbs have irregular comparative form, like good. This comparative degree is better. Bad, worse. It is not the better, it's the worse. Like some are there much, for much, and many. We will use here more. These all are the what the rules of the degrees of comparison. Thank you so much.